and then somehow, but yeah, I think
yeah, so this is the laser book scanning system, and the idea is that we have lasers on either side of the camera pointing in at 45-degree angles, and what that does, conveniently, is converts vertical displacement into horizontal displacement. So as we move up, the lines get further apart, and that means that we can use the same sensor, the same camera that we take the picture of the book with, to measure the depth at each point on this line, and from that line we can extract the curvature of the page and flatten it. So here's just a book laid out flat underneath it, and of course not all books will lay perfectly flat. We may have to devise some kind of scale type cradle, but you can see that the 3D structure of the book is totally apparent from the two lasers as it moves through space, and we should be able to dewarp the pages using only that. And now this is a little bit misleading. The beams are crossing a little lower because I have this set up for this table. Ideally the beams would cross just under the book so that we don't get that X at the binding. And for that we have a cradle which puts the book at about the right height. It's possible just to flip it and take a picture with your finger at each little part like this. Scan-Tailor would automatically crop out the finger, so that's not an issue. And we can go through the book and take pictures of it, scan it as fast as we can flip it, essentially. And flipping, I'm sure, is something we can all get very good at. And I don't know, that's Daniel and Spamsicle's laser rig.